Stop seeking attention. It's ruining your life, and it's also stopping all your manifestations. What you need to do is act as if you don't want any attention at all. Because when you do this, your manifestations will come faster. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is tell you how to do this. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Let's get into it. Grand Rising Manifestors. So according to Neville Goddard, when you're seeking attention, you're stopping your manifestations. So if you've been having problems trying to manifest things in your life, but you're always out there seeking attention through social media, through friends and family, what you're doing is stopping your manifestations. So that's why you're not manifesting anything, because you are in a state of lack. Because when you're seeking something, that means that you are lacking something. You're telling the universe you don't have something. And anytime that you're seeking anything, money, love, whatever, you're telling the universe you're in lack. That's why you're not manifesting what you want, because you're in a state of lack. The way you manifest is whatever you are. So whatever state you're in, that's how you manifest. So if you're in a state of lack, then you're going to keep lacking. But if you are a person of abundance, then you're going to attract abundance in your life. So what you need to do is act as if you don't want any attention. So if you've been trying to get validation from people all the time for things that you do, you need to stop doing that. Stop seeking validation from others. Because when you do that, you're telling the universe you're not good enough. You're telling the universe you're not whole. You're telling the universe that you are lacking in your life. And if you keep doing that, you're going to just stay where you are. You're trying to grow. You're not here to be stagnant. You're not here to just stay where you are. You're here to grow. That's what the universe is. The universe keeps expanding and growing. Since you are the universe and the universe is you, you need to expand and grow too. But if you always in a state of lack, you're not going to grow. You're not going to expand. You're not going to get better. You're not going to experience that version of yourself that already exists, which is what you desire in life, which is that version of yourself is already there, because we live in parallel universes. That version of yourself is already there, that version of yourself that expands and grows on a daily basis. But you got to connect with that version. If you're always in a state of lack, you're not going to connect with it, and you're going to keep living this version of your life, which is where you always seeking validation from people. And I'm going to tell you a brief story about me. I had that problem. And you could kind of say I'm still having that problem. When I was younger, I would go out and buy expensive clothes whenever I get the money. And the reason why I was doing that, because I wanted the women to pay attention to me. I wanted everybody else to say, oh, he's so fly. Look what he got on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what we used to say back in the days. Fly. We use that word. He's so fly. Look what he got on. He has Polo on. He has Gucci on. He has Louis Vuitton. Oh, he's so important. And that made me feel good. And I'm sure all you people out there that wear designer clothes, it makes you feel good. Some people probably wear designer clothes for the quality. They want good quality clothes. But you got a lot of people wearing it because they'll get attention. And that was me. I was buying these clothes, wanting to get attention from women and from other people. I really wanted to be cool, because if you're wearing something expensive or some designer clothes, people like you, they give you attention, and it makes you feel cool, makes you feel accepted. Majority of us wants to be accepted in something because we are one. And when we don't feel like we are connected with everybody, then we do all we can do to try to get that connection. But the thing is, once you go within, then you're going to figure out you're God. And when you're God, that means you're already whole. You're already complete. You don't need to seek attention. You don't need to seek validation from others. When you know that you're God, that means you already have everything. Everything is already here within you. And that's facts. So I had to understand that. Well, I had to understand that. That's the word I use. I use understand. Because when you understand something, you go within. And you know it from your heart that what you saying and what you know is true. So I had to understand this. And once I understand this, then I'm gradually, occasionally, I'll slip up and go back to my old mindset where I want to buy something that's going to validate me. You know what I'm saying? I might want to go buy something Gucci. I might want to go buy something that's Louis Vuitton, a designer brand. Because when I see others have it, that have a lot of money, they wearing designer clothes, and people love them. And when you feel like you're in a state of loneliness, then you want to go out there and purchase something that'll get people's attention. And then once you get that attention, you feel like you're being loved or you're being liked. So I had to get over that by meditating every day and knowing that I am God. And if you are God, you're already whole and complete. But Neville had an affirmation that you should say every day that will change your mindset. And I start using that affirmation. So that affirmation is, I remember when I used to seek attention, but now I know I am whole and complete. What that does when you constantly say that, it gets into the subconscious mind, letting the subconscious mind know that you are whole and complete and that you don't need any attention or any validation because you're already there. You already have it in your life. And once this sinks into your subconscious mind, then whatever you want to manifest is going to be attracted to you, because the subconscious mind know that you're whole and complete now. And to make you whole and complete in the outer world, the subconscious mind has to attract all these things or situation, people into your life to reflect how you feel inside. So say that affirmation every night before you go to bed, every day when you wake up. And in time, your mindset will change and your manifestations will come faster. If this video brought some value to you today, please drop a comment down below. I want to hear from you guys, and give me a like and subscribe to this channel. We're on our way to 5,000 subscribers. It's already seen it within me. Now it's going to reflect on the outer world. I already know it's coming. I have that feeling. So let's get there, guys. One other thing, guys. I have a free ebook I'm giving away. It's called Every Word Has Power. All you got to do is click on the link in the description or in the comments to download the free ebook. Peace, create, and manifest.